Okay, I'm going to start at the object here, and I'm going to draw a ray that goes through the center of the lens, along 4 down 1, along 4 down 1, along 4 down 1, along 4 down 1. Let's do another one. Along, just parallel, and then it's going to go through the first focal point. So it's going to go along 3 down 1, along 3 down 1, along 3 down 1, along 3 down 1, along 3 down 1. And just to be sure, I'll do the other one. Along 4 down 4, and now parallel. So it's going through there. So my intermediate image is here. And now I'm going to draw the rays from the intermediate image through the second lens. So I'm going to draw one that goes straight through the center of the lens. Let's just change the color. Right. So through the center of the lens, that's, and tracing it back as a virtual ray, it's going to come back here like this. And let's do another ray. Let's do one from the focal point through the image. That's along 2 down 3. This is where it hits the lens and then goes across. So tracing that one back goes to along here like this. So that is my final image here. Now the magnification is from 1 to 3, and then finally to 12 little squares. And the distance to the lens is, if that's 1 centimeter up here, this would be 12 centimeters.